Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes. In last class, we had discussed about the image formation by concave mirror. Okay, how an image of an object is formed by concave mirror when we will place the object at different positions on the principal axis of the concave mirror. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the image formation by convex mirror. You know convex mirror? It is a part of a spherical glass in which inner surface is polished, outer is reflecting surface. Outer is like this. Here this is the reflecting surface and this is the polished surface. Okay, all of you have seen a spoon now? A spoon, just we have sliced the outer portions. This is the what? Convex, and inner one we have like a concave. So here in case of convex mirror, inner surface is polished and outer is reflecting surface. Clear? So here we will discuss about the image formation by convex mirror. Only two cases are there. First one, when object is at infinity. Object is at infinity. So where is image will form? You see here. First we will take here convex mirror. This side is polished. Okay. So suppose this is the principal axis. So here this point, pole, focus, here center of curvature. Okay. Students. Now, suppose the object is placed at infinity. So we will take some parallel rays parallel to the principal axis. Two rays here and two rays below. So by the rule of ray diagram, when the ray of light traveling parallel to the principal axis, after reflections they will meet at a single point on the principal axis, that is what? Principal focus. But in case of convex mirror, they will seem to meet on the principal axis, means divergence takes place. So here after reflections they become diverge, or they will diverge. Okay, so where they will meet after reflections, the parallel rays of light, where they will meet, they will seem to meet at principal focus. Here ऐसा लगेगा वो सब क्या हो रहे हैं, प्रिंसिपल फोकस पर मीट कर रहे हैं. सो हियर इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड हियर. Virtual behind the mirror, okay, virtual, okay, erect and highly diffused. So you can write these characteristics: virtual, erect, highly diffused, and behind the mirror at principal focus. Behind the mirror at principal focus. Principal focus. Here. One more case is there. When object is placed at anywhere on the principal axis, means not at infinity but at anywhere on the principal axis, between pole and in between infinity. Pole and infinity. So where is image formed? Where the image is formed? So second case here, friends. When object is placed anywhere on the principal axis in between pole and infinity. Second one, when object is anywhere in between pole and infinity. Okay, so where image is formed. See here the ray diagram for that. Convex mirror, okay, outer surface is polished, inner surface is polished, outer is reflecting surface, principal axis, pole, focus, and here center of curvature. Suppose object is placed here. Object is placed here. So where it image will form. So for that we know that the minimum are at least two rays required to form an image of an object. So first rays we will take parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. So after reflections it will diverge and it will seems to meet at focus. Seems to meet at focus. ऐसा लगेगा कि फोकस पे क्लियर. Second we can take through the center of curvature. So it will light ray passes through the center of curvature. It behaves like a normal. After reflections it will return back along the same path. Along the same path. तो दूसरा क्या करेंगे हम? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से यूज करते हैं इसको. ओके. Center of curvature. So after reflections, it will return from the same form. So where image form? Again image form behind the mirror and diminished. Behind the mirror and diminished. Okay, this is the image. And this is the object. Okay, students. So you can write the nature and characteristics of the image. What first? Virtual. Okay. Erect. Diminished. And behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, in between focus and pole. Behind the mirror, in between pole and focus. Here, see, in between pole and focus. Okay, clear? So only two cases are there. In case of convex mirror, first object is placed at infinity, image is formed, highly diminished at principal focus. And when second case object is placed at anywhere on the principal axis, image is formed in between pole and focus and diminished, erect, virtual. Okay, students, clear? So these are the two cases given for the convex mirror. Okay, image formations for the convex mirrors. You can better understand these two cases, okay, by a short video clip that will be given to you in this class, in this video, in the last questions. So try to understand these topics better, clear, and any doubt you can ask in the next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.
Let's study the image formation of a convex mirror for different positions of the object from it. A convex mirror, a candle, and a paper screen to capture the image are kept on a horizontal surface as shown. Move the candle and observe the image in the mirror and on screen. We can see that the image is not formed on the screen, thus it is a virtual image. The image of the candle is formed in the convex mirror. It is smaller in size and it is erect. Now, move the candle far away from the mirror and observe. We can see that the image is not formed on the screen. The image is virtual, smaller in size and erect. Thus, we find that the image formed by a convex mirror is always virtual, smaller in size and erect.